Ay, sana. Nag-bill na ako. Hello, guys. Good evening, Be. Hi, Sir John Kemp McKelling. Hello po. Hello, sir. Kumusta? There we go. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for. Thank you for the 2 people joining my live. Thank you. Hi, Insan. What's up, Insan? Hello. Hello. Kumusta? Magandang umaga dyan. Duty ka ngayon? Hello. Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. Salamat. Happy Sunday din sa'yo. Ano ba? Sunday na dyan. Wala akong pasok ngayon. Okay. Rest day. Sunday. Thank you for the 16 people. Thank you so much. Sana all mag-thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the 3. Thank you, guys. Salamat po sa nag-thumbs up. Rest day, laba day, cleaning day. Laba day, cleaning day. Yung rest day, a lot of work na. Daming gagawin. Antok na. Antok much. Oo nga, rest day, mas maraming gagawin. Tama, mas matrabaho pag rest day. Mukhang tired ka na yun sana. Ang layo kasi na nilakad namin. Mula tulay, paikot. Hanggang doon sa may Mumbon, Sandinon, paikot papuntang Bagsangan. Kalayo. Pagal ako. May ano na eh. Matanda na eh. Madali na mapagod eh. Saan kayo galing? Sa may tulay. Sa asawa ni Bonso. Parang ano nga, parang gusto ko na matulog. Lakad lang kayo, Ginoo. Kalayo na. Oo nga, lakad lang. Wala eh, trip-trip lang. Malayo. Harry Miller. 25 times. 25 times. Baka purikatin kanyang mamayang gabi. Sakit pa naman pag maungan. Na ano nga, nangalay yung anong pa ako. Before team bets me, lul. Ray Miller. You still, you know, Tim. How are you, Ray Miller? Sometimes I make a chance to gaze back to the time. Medyo pala matagal pala pag ano, parang ang spouse visa, matagal pala kaysa sa ano. Cheryl, I'm at work, thinking about the be. What is your work, Ray Miller? What is your work, by the way? I know you had to be alone. Manager for FedEx. Wow, manager. Good job. FedEx like ano ba yan? Ano, FedEx. I forgot. FedEx. A cargo. The FedEx is a cargo. Travel. Hi, Che. Hello. Thank you sa thumbs up, guys. Salamat sa nag-join. Thank you so much. You have to be alone. I work a lot. I walk a lot pala. Napagod ako. Minsan out na muna ako. May acolyte ako sa church. Pahinga ka na muna dyan. Mukhang pagod match ka. O nga eh, pagod match na. Parang naano ako, nahihilo ako. Gee, I'm sorry about putting you in time. It was supposed to be to someone else. Yeah. You're right. Mistake. I feel tired. Oh my god. Like dizziness, like it's a bit team. Hi team from China. Ow, Insan. Insan. Team. I'm going here soon. Ha? Dito pa lang si Chatty, kaya man di nagre-reply, nagtambay. Oh, minsan pag may free time siya, nag-join siya dito sa akin. Really, kailan? This September. First week. Masaya. Malapit na ilang ayaw niyang umuwi ng ng August kasi malakas yung negosyo niya diyan. Malakas yung kita, sayang daw. 3 months to go. Go them. Go! Bugo na da, ah. Wow, see each other, yes. Getting to know each other in real life. Oh. Yes, kasi summer. More customers pag August patok negosyo pag kaya nga. Renala, come back. Yes. Came back. I need to be around. I know. I need to nap. I feel sleepy. I feel tired. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Antok ka na. Nadadamay ako. Hikam dadan ako nga. Nakadamay. Out na mi siya. Early tomorrow. Good night, children. Thank you. Salamat. See you soon. Kita-kita na lang. See you soon. Salamat. Salamat sa nag-join. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. God bless.